What is squaring? Alright, so we're discussing here exponents. We describe what a power is, what an exponent is, gave you the definition of base. Okay, now here is squaring. Alright, so when you square a base, you basically have a power of 2, an exponent of 2. For example, let's say we have 10 to the second power. Well, we can read this as, or we can read this as squared. So if there's a word problem and it says evaluate 10 squared, we know that 10 is the base and squared, the power would be 2, right? 10 squared. Well, we can also rewrite 10 squared as 10 times 10. Ultimately, we're going to get 100, all right? Let's give you another example here. We're not going to use 10 as a base. This time we're going to use 8 as a base, all right, just so you can understand. So when you square a base, you basically have an exponent of 2. So 8 squared is the same as saying 8 to the second power, or 8 times 8. You're basically taking the base and you're multiplying it by itself. And 8 times 8 is equals to 64. Let's go ahead and let's give you a final definition there. Multiply a number by itself. And it kind of gets its name because if you do multiply, if we were talking about distance here, like let's say 8 inches, 8 centimeters, or 8 millimeters, 8 feet, all right? If we was to multiply 8 feet by 8 feet, we would have a polygon of a square.